Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So on this particular video I will be teaching us how to create a playlist. So the first thing to do is to go to your YouTube channel, then you click on then guys you scroll down and you get to see something called playlist. You click on that view all. First thing you see is the watch later and probably liked videos you've liked in the recent times. Then you will also see an option saying create new playlist. So you click on that create new playlist there, and then you will see this appearing on your screen. You can go ahead and put in your title, but I want to show you another way which you can create a playlist. So that being said, you go back and you click on that plus sign that is behind, that is in front of the playlist. Then you will see that same new playlist option popping up. Then you go ahead to put in your title, then you click on the visibility of that playlist. You choose the one you want. Is it public, is it unlisted, or private? It's normally on the public. I mean, we want our viewers to see the playlist. So after that, you go ahead and click on create there, and then you have your new playlist created. So this is it. You click on the new playlist. This is what is showing. No videos in this playlist yet. So let's go ahead to add a video in the playlist. But the first thing to do is you can as well put a picture. You can set whatever picture you want. You can choose from your library. You can take a photo and you can create with AI anyone that works best for you. Then you go ahead to add description. Tell us what that particular playlist is all about, which makes it easy for any viewer to see if they want to go further with that playlist. And we all know that playlists are basically for keeping your channel organized. So after that, you click on save, then you move ahead to adding a video in this playlist. But this is me showing you that you can actually share your playlist link. You can share it to your social media handles. You can copy the link as well. So now let's add a video to this playlist. If you click on add videos, it will take you to the YouTube search directly. Here you can add any video to it, but we wouldn't want that. We want to actually add our own video to the playlist directly. So you click on videos, click on manage videos, then that this particular video is what I want to add. So you go ahead to click on that three dots that is on by the side, and it will take you to you editing your video proper. Then you will see add to playlist. You click on that option and your new playlist created will pop up. Then you pick it, and that's it guys, and you click on save. Your video has been added to the playlist. So let's go see it. Then you click on playlist. Automatically you will see the playlist option in your home page. So you click on playlist and you will see that particular playlist and the video that you just added to the playlist. So guys, that's it. So like I said earlier, you can actually add different videos from different creators in a particular playlist. You just get to click on the plus sign as you can see on the screen. So that's it guys, your playlist has been created, and you can as well create different playlists in your channel, as it keeps it organized and also makes it easy for viewers to locate a particular video that they are really in need of. Do well to click the subscribe button if you haven't, like, comment, share this video for more YouTube tips and also how you can improve your YouTube channel. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Do well to follow through on this particular tutorial on how to create a playlist, and you will see that it's not actually a difficult thing to do. See you guys in my next video guys. Thank you for your time. Bye for now guys.